All right, guys, 2007 Honda Accord. This is 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter engine. The AC was not working on this car, and as you can see down there, they replaced the AC compressor and all. So, and the AC still did not kick in, and then the car came to me. It had electrical trouble. There was no power going to the AC compressor, and what we did was we started off by checking the fuses. The fuse was good, but still had no power. And one thing I want to let you know, guys, know, if you have a 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, and 2007 Honda Accord, even the 6 cylinders or 4 cylinders or the 4 doors or 2 doors, it's the same little thing, all right? And maybe the box is a little angle different. But however, you have a 4-cylinder car here, and your AC is not working, and if you look right here into this fuse box, this cover right, you remove this cover right here, all right, you pop this open just like that, all right, you squeeze the 4 tabs on it and this comes right off, right in here. If you look at the cover itself, it will tell you there's a magnet clutch here. It says magnet clutch right there. It's a 7-point amp fuse. It's hard for me to get there. Right there, it says MC clutch. Tool number 12, 7.5 amp. And if you look right above here, this is inside the cover, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna be put right here, right where I got my thumb right now. You're gonna see a little frost there. It's hard to see, but there's a frost there. This is a relay for AC, all right? This right here, I just swapped this. As you can see, it's a different. See, this is a normal relay right here, and this one is different. So I checked this fuse right here, the 7.5, right? It's if you look at the box this way, it will be in the same position, all right? So you got the fan relay here. You got it has a little symbol of the snow there. This is for the AC. So I swapped this relay. The problem was the relay, all right? The fuse checked out, the fuse was good, but the relay was no good, all right? And just try that, guys. You could swap this relay with probably one of these relays here. This is for the radiator here. This is a radiator fan right here. You could swap it with this and see if it comes on, all right? But do swap it back, and because you don't want to leave the radiator fan with the bad relay. And if it comes on, if the AC comes on, you're good and you're all set, all right, guys? So if you have any questions, let me know, all right? And a lot of times it's not the AC compressor, you know, that's like almost $600-700 job there. But it could be simple as this relay, you know, somebody swapped the compressor for him and no AC still, all right? And this relay, you could probably get a original one for like $40. All right, and swap the relay first, test it. If it works out, swap it back. Make sure you do not use the other relay, and because if you put this relay, the bad relay here, your fan will not work and the car will overheat. All right, guys, thank you, and subscribe, and I hope this helps you guys. And if you have any questions, message me. Could be anything, all right? It could be a check engine light with codes. You could send me the codes, year, make, and model. I'll check on my computer and I will let you guys know. All right, guys, thank you and bye-bye. See you on the next one.